What's good, beautiful people? It's your girl Tay. I'm here yet again Monday, March 29th. Happy Monday, y'all. Definitely make sure you smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe, plus push the post notification bell button so that way anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So, jumping right into it, I did a video, I want to say, maybe about a couple of weeks back, talking about emergency broadband benefit program that was going to be coming out, but they didn't release a date. So I just want to go over that information again. It says the FCC recently adopted a reporting order that established the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program, a $3.2 billion federal initiative to help lower the cost of high-speed internet for eligible households during the pandemic. Okay, so what they're offering is up to $50 a month discount for broadband services, up to $75 a month discount for broadband services for household on tribal lands, a one-time discount of up to $100 for a laptop, desktop computer, or tablet purchased through a participating provider. The emergency broadband benefit is limited to one monthly service discount and one device discount per eligible household. So you can't get one for everybody in your household. You can get a discount on the internet in your household, and you can get a discount of $100 on one device, whichever one you choose, but it has to be purchased from one of their participating providers. Okay, a household is eligible if one member of the household qualifies for the Lifeline program, including those who are on Medicaid or receive SNAP benefits, receives benefits under the free and reduced price school lunch program or school breakfast program, including through the USDA community eligibility provision, or did so in the year 2019 and 2020 school year. Experienced a substantial loss of income since February 29th, 2020, and the household had a total income in 2020 below $99,000 for single filers and $198,000 for joint filers. Received a federal Pell Grant in the current award year, meets the eligibility criteria for a participating provider's existing low-income or pandemic program. Okay, the FCC expects that the emergency broadband benefit program to be open and eligible for eligible households before the end of April 2021. So it says please check the FCC's website, which they have here, and you guys know I'm going to leave that information in the description box below. Okay, so definitely check this website periodically just to make sure. It says once it's up and running, eligible households will be able to enroll through the participating broadband providers or directly with the Universal Service Administrative Company, USAC. All right. So again, I'm going to leave that information in the description box below. Now, we've got a bit of rental assistance in Santa Clarita. It says Santa Clarita residents struggling to cover their rent, which everybody is struggling to cover. I don't know. It's like, it's weird to me how they print out these articles and these bits of information, but they make it seem like one city or state is struggling when everybody is struggling right now. But anyways, the city of Santa Clarita announced Wednesday that it will launch a $6.3 million rental assistance program beginning April 1st. So in just a few days. To qualify, a household must make at or below 80% of the area median income, which for a family of four for Los Angeles County is around $56,300. Priority will be given to those at 50% of the area median income. Okay, if approved, applicants will receive up to 4 full months of unpaid rent. All right, now it's giving me a link which takes me to an application. So if I can go, if it's going to take me to another website, I haven't tested it yet, then I'll put that also in the description box below. Okay, if not, I'll see if I can find it and put it in the description box. So that's for Santa Clarita. The funding is a part of the $2.6 billion statewide rent relief program that provides money from December's $900 billion congressional stimulus package. It is designed to cover back unpaid rent for the period between April 1st, 2020 and March 31st, 2021. The city of Los Angeles itself is distributing $235 million in rent relief to help about 64,000 families. The application window for its program opens March 30th. So tomorrow this program opens, so I'm definitely going to see if I can put this the link for the application down below in the description box. All right, now there was some information about that $10,000 $200 unemployment tax break. So we know that the American Rescue Plan waives federal tax on up to $10,200 of unemployment benefits per person collected in 2020. But the IRS says jobless benefits don't count towards the 150,000 income threshold. The IRS issued guidance a while back on a new unemployment tax break that makes more people eligible for the benefit. The American Rescue Plan waives federal tax on up to $10,200. Now that's federal tax. That doesn't have anything to do with the state. Federal tax on up to $10,200 of unemployment benefits collected last year per person, okay? But the $1.9 trillion pandemic relief measure, which President Joe Biden signed almost 2 weeks ago, limited the tax cut to people who earn less than $150,000 in 2020. That threshold is the same regardless of filing status, like single or married, okay? The federal agency, meaning the IRS, said recently that workers can exclude jobless benefits from their calculation of modified adjusted gross income, the official barometer for eligibility. The rule change means more people will fall below the $150,000 income limit. It definitely expands it, Jeffrey Levine said, a certified financial planner. This is a very generous interpretation, somebody else said. Then they give you an example. The IRS didn't immediately return a request for a comment, but take, for example, a married couple filing a joint return. They had a job income of $140,000 last year. They also each had $10,200 of income from unemployment benefits. Under prior IRS guidance, this couple would not have qualified for the tax break due to the joint income of $160,400 when factoring in jobless aid. The new IRS calculation makes them eligible. Their income would be $140,000 for purposes of determining their qualification. Each spouse would be able to exclude $10,200 of unemployment benefits from federal tax, okay? However, it says, and I just lost my page. Where'd it go? The new guidance does not alter the amount of tax-free unemployment benefits. So you guys let me know if some of you, for those of you who have not, or who just recently, let's just say who have just recently filed your 2020 tax returns, you went and you met with your CPA, your tax preparer, whatever, and they should have provided you with updated information or updated software that would include that $10,200 tax break for your family, which would be double that if you are married filing jointly. So if you're in that situation, let us know in the comment section down below if it made a big difference, meaning how much of a tax break was it offering? Did it alter the amount of your income tax return at all? Or for those of you who have already filed your income taxes and you have received, or have you received, I should say, any type of extra refund as it pertains to this tax break? I'm not really sure it's going to make much of a difference. Another thing I wanted to note, for those of you also in the state of California, word is out on the streets. I can definitely verify that some people have begun to receive their $600 Golden State stimulus. Now, this only pertains to California. This was the Golden State stimulus that was enacted by our governor, Newsom, Gavin, I forgot his name, but something like that. But people have already started to receive that on their California EBT cards. Okay, so if you have already filed your 2020 tax return and you qualify, you meet the criteria, you should have received a deposit within the last couple of days. So check your EBT cards if you guys filed your taxes and you got that California Earned Income Tax Credit, because that was one of the eligibility criteria, as well as being a household that receives CalWorks or SSI, SSDI, and I believe veterans assistance as well, veterans benefits as well. But definitely let me know in the comment section below, because the $600 are rolling out. So some of you will receive a deposit on your EBT card, and some of you will receive a check in the mail. So you want to be looking out for your stimulus check from the government, your $1,400 stimulus check for your family, as well as your $600 Golden State stimulus. Okay, now I did also see another rental relief program that was for the city of Los Angeles that I wanted to go over with you guys. So, I think this was just actually, Anyways, Mayor Eric Garcetti and Los Angeles City Council members announced a $259 million emergency renters relief program that will become available tomorrow. So I'm letting everybody know in the city of Los Angeles, county of Los Angeles, the rent relief program was passed unanimously by the city, and up to $10,000 in grants will be distributed to roughly 64,000 families in Los Angeles. So if you are in need, do not miss out on the chance to get up to $10,000 in grants, okay, that you do not have to pay back. It's not just about paying a month of rent or two forward. It's about erasing the debt that is stressing families out today, Garcetti said. I urge landlords to say yes, because if they don't say yes to tenants will get direct relief at 25%, which means they can't be evicted. Okay? While $235 million of the aid will go toward rental assistance, $3 million will be used for LA's eviction defense program. The relief plan is receiving funding from the American Rescue Plan as well as state funding, and will go towards rent owed between April 1st, 2020 up to March 31st, 2021. Okay, so I know everybody's been jumping on President Biden. There's a lot of things that they're saying that he's not doing it correctly. However, I feel as though, considering the short amount of time that he's been in office, he's been able to press through a lot of legislation and get a lot of resources and finances back out in the economy. Doesn't mean that I'm on his side. Doesn't mean that I'm his cheerleader. But I am saying that in the amount of time that he's been in office, he hasn't been our president for 2 years. He hasn't been our president for 4 years. He hasn't served a full term yet. He's only been our president for a couple of months, if that. So, giving that, I believe that he's doing he's doing something. He's moving things along. It may not be to everybody's liking, but he's definitely getting some things moving around the United States of America, okay? I'm trying to see if there's any more information. I don't think that was it. I did look up some information regarding emergency SNAP Max benefits for the month of April. I have yet to see anything on the United States Department of Agriculture, so I may have to do some extra digging and look up every state individually, check out every state's actual government website to see if that information is available, because I'm not seeing it on my usual sources. So I will hunt that information down for you guys. I hope this video was in some way helpful, useful. Happy Monday, you guys. Hopefully everybody is feeling better. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. I had to take the weekend off to regroup, recalculate, and get myself together, but I am here, you guys. I will see you guys definitely in the next video. As always, remember to live, love, and elevate. Peace.